My name's Tom Hodgkinson. I'm assistant head teacher here at the Park High School. But apart from that, my main role in the school is I'm a drama teacher. I teach drama in the school, and as part of that, I work with the National Theatre on a production that we put out every year. As I was asked to join in the project of BusStop39, I was told that we would have a lady called Lily Ferrari, who wrote soap operas for EastEnders, Casualty, and lots of different sort of programs. And they wanted to try and create something that young people would be able to write their own soap opera online, which is what you can see around here. And it was based around the whole of Norfolk. So we were lucky, we had 2 characters, and the names of the characters, their histories, their lives, everything to do with these characters was created here at the Park High School. But the series has, is it 7 characters, girls? Is it 8? There are 8 characters. There were other schools the other side of Great Yarmouth had 2 characters. There was a school in Lower, so around Norfolk.
And also there were different types. So you had a child that was in care.
Yes.
You had a child with learning difficulties. So a mixture of children with different backgrounds.
That would then look at local council involvement in their life. And from that point of view, Lily helped bring it all together, and the youngsters then had to really work on the storylines, what was happening, and because of our link with the council, it was how the local council has helped them or involved their characters. So the story actually starts at BusStop39, this fictional bus stop in a fictional town which is called Kingsmouth. If you notice, Kings Lynn and Yarmouth, Kingsmouth. It's very, very clever. One of the characters, who is it? Rachel gets hit by a car while all these youngsters happen to be at the bus stop. And the involvement of the girl going to the hospital and all sorts of issues around what's going on with those families. And that's sort of where what I really want you to be able to do is to talk to the youngsters. They wrote the scripts, they worked on the writing. They're the ones that came once a week for 2 hours and slogged really hard to get their scripts and the information, and they had to cross-reference what was happening in their character stories in Yarmouth and Lowestoft and Norwich, and it really was a huge effort for everyone. So lots of events, but what it did do, it made them aware, and ourselves, about the involvement of what was happening in local council. You know, if you have an accident, who do you contact? Who gets involved in cleaning up the glass or the broken glass or the mess? Or if someone's in care, who's involved in that and what happens to them? And they had to do lots of research in that, which made them aware of what was going on within the community as well. They knew it happened, but they didn't know how it happened. So that was really part of that process. It was fun, it was hard work, it was enjoyable, but they were also learning a lot about local government, local council, and what was going on.